Welcome back to Hardware Unboxed. It's now time to build the giveaway PC. For those of you who are yet to enter, you can do so via the link below in the video description. It's free to enter and this is a global giveaway. There are 4 prizes up for grabs, and once this thing is put together, it will be one of the prizes. So let's do that, shall we? Or you sit back, relax, and I'll time-lapse this baby together. Maybe while I'm putting it together, you guys can drop in the comment section below what you think I should call this awesome build. It's kind of a whitish, silverish, blackish themed build in the Fantex case. So let me know what you think it should be called. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the build video and you're excited to get your chance to win this awesome little gaming rig. If you haven't entered already, then you can do so by clicking the link in the video description. There's a few days left of the competition, so you still have time to enter. And this is a global giveaway, so we're willing to ship this thing anywhere. I am splitting the shipping cost 50-50 with Brian from Tech Yes City, so that'll make it a bit easier if we have to send it to the other side of the world. And we will be doing another giveaway next month as well. So we'll be able to repeat the process all over again and give you guys the chance to win another full system. There are 4 prizes up for grabs in total, and if you can believe it, this is actually the runner-up prize. Tech Deals and Level 1 Techs have put together a very impressive gaming rig. It's got an 8700K and a godlike motherboard, I think a GTX 1070. Very cool system. You can see all the specs for that at the Gleam link in the video description. There's also a few runner-up prizes, an MSI B350 Tomahawk motherboard, that's a cool motherboard there, and an ADATA 256GB SU800 SSD. So there are plenty of awesome prizes up for grabs. If I get time, I'll film another video soon that'll include things like overclocking and a bit of gameplay, but you know, we are running out of time now. There's only a few days left of the competition, so that may not happen. As usual, there were a few delays on getting some of the components, and that's why you're only seeing the build video now. Anyway, make sure you enter the competition for your chance to win this beauty. I'm your host, Steve. Catch you again soon, guys.